What you're looking at is a watercolor painting. This is a small painting. It's a 9 by 12 with just basic washes down. And it's a little ethereal, but for my taste and how I like my paintings to look, it's a little bit too washed out. These are the mixes I used, and I used primarily, I think, four colors with this. I used a yellow, a green, a red, and a blue just to create these different washes. I used a permanent red and a sap green, which makes kind of like a brown, almost like a, you could do a khaki with this really. A permanent red and Aureolin, I could never pronounce that, which is a warm yellow. You could use a cadmium yellow. Aureolin and permanent red here also gives you a kind of orange, and then Aureolin and sap green gives you this nice springy green. When you take the blue, which I happen to use an ultramarine, and mix yellow and red together, you get a brown, and you can see this is a basic wash, and I started putting a little bit of dry brush on top of that. And for my darks, I like really deep but vibrant, not muddy darks. I used an ultramarine blue and a permanent red there for a light purple, and a little bit darker purple by adding some more red, and an ultramarine and a sap green for this kind of dark green forest color. And this is a tree in fall, and you'll notice that there is green because as they are turning, they still retain some of their green leaves. Now, it looks a little washed out, and so what I'm going to do is I'm going to be doing some dry brush with it, where I'm taking watercolor that has not a lot of water in it and bringing out the values by dry brushing. And that gives you a little bit more depth and a little bit more darkness and darker values against these lighter washes.